guys, I'm Untitled, and this is a review of a DJI Mavic Air 2 sort of custom storage carry case from the amazing Banggood, who sent it to me for a review. I was after another case where I could sort of access things a lot easier rather than using the standard one that comes with sort of most DJI drones. They're not bad little bags, but you have to cram everything in there. If you've got extra batteries, I would say you're stuffed. Stuffed as in stuffed in the bag and stuffed with carrying everything that you need. This is an amazing option, and Banggood sell these for £43.51. You can get it in grey, obviously in the black that I've got. I do prefer the black, but if you do prefer grey to match your Mavic Air 2, go for it, guys. It's waterproof, and it's not a huge amount bigger than your standard sort of DJI case. Zips work flawlessly, and you've got like your obviously carry handle there, pulls out, literally like a travel bag. Push it back in. You do get the shoulder straps. They'll click on the side to hang around your shoulders if you wish to do that. I do generally carry it by hand if I'm just going out from the house somewhere, but if you're travelling, camping or whatever, you've got a few other bits and pieces. You've got your shoulder strap. Like I say, it's waterproof, and look at all those compartments in there. Absolutely amazing Banggood. Great product. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space for 6 batteries. Now I've got 5, 2 are on charge, 1 in the drone at the moment. The foam is brilliant, so everything is so snug once they're placed in there. A lot of foam sort of bags, they're a lot softer than this. I've found it in times when we've had cameras before. It can tear. This is not going to tear. It's very, very, very well made. The drone will go in there. Nice squeak. That shows how tight it is. Obviously your transmitter goes in there, but as you can see from this ledge just below, another little compartment, so you could put ND filters, other bits and pieces in there. You've got your charging equipment that can go in there, which is like your charging brick. The slot charger where you put multiple batteries in to charge at the same time goes in there. You've got everything you need. So at the back, another compartment for other bits and pieces. So you've got a heck of a lot more room in here, and easy to access rather than the standard DJI bags. So I'll stick a battery in there, battery in that. Transmitter goes in there. It's absolutely perfect, guys, it really is. Cannot fault this in any shape or form. So easy to use. You get in the field, unzip it, open it up, you can see exactly what you need. So Banggood, well done with this, and for the price. Like I say, when I got this through the post, I sort of ordered it, and I think it was in, like I say, 7 days or 8 days maximum that this was on my doorstep, and that's free shipping. You cannot beat it at all. So highly, highly recommend this, guys, and I'll leave a link in the video description. Just click on it, go through, order, purchase. You've got to do it, you know, rather than carrying this thing about. So much easier. So that was a quick review of the portable storage case for the DJI Mavic Air 2. Like I say, comes in black, or if you prefer, comes in grey. But get one, guys, highly recommended. Thanks for watching and happy flying.